It helps me look how I feel inside.
How do you feel?
Flawless.
Your true self, like who you really are underneath it all.
Being confident is being fearless. Wearing foundation gives me confidence.
It makes me feel proud to show my face to the world.
It feels light, quite seamless.
Mas essa eu nem sinto.
My skin can breathe.
This feels like nothing.
With so many different tones on my skin, it's been really difficult to find the exact match.
Y la base que luzco ahora me combina a la perfección.
I feel like it evens out my skin tone, but I still look like me.
My shade is bronze W150.
Ivory C110.
Beige C130.
Brown C180, and I love it.
I am motivated.
I'm empowered.
I'm honest.
Happy.
Jestem marzycielką I kreatorką.
Ambitious. Confident. It's what's underneath.
It's what's underneath.
ये अंदर की बात है.
It's what's underneath.
Just the way you are. Just the way I am. That's underneath.